Changing your profile picture on Deezer is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Open the Deezer app. Launch the Deezer app on your device or visit the Deezer website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the user icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option that says Edit Profile or a pencil icon. Click on it to enter the profile editing mode. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. In the Edit Profile section, find the option to change your profile picture. Click on it and you will be prompted to upload a new image from your device or select one from your existing photos. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button and click it to update your profile. Now your profile picture on Deezer is updated. Enjoy your refreshed look while streaming your favorite music.